Here, taking a look at Europe on MarketStream.live. My name is Joe Cusick from the Cusick Group, securities offered by MoneyBlock. Let's jump right in. We got a pretty decent open right now in Europe. Germany's DAX is higher by 0.2%. And we have financials leading the way. Commerzbank and Deutsche Bank are showing respective gains of 2.8% and 2.7%. We're continuing to see large cap names like Bayer, BASF, and Infineon are up between 0.3% and 0.6%. Now, on the downside, you're seeing some retail names like and some drug names like Merck, Adidas, and Continental are all down between 0.3% and 0.9%. Let's see if some of that weakness does flow into the U.S. markets. EWG is trading at 27.49. We're going to watch this one very closely, especially if it starts to get down into that $27 level. That could put some pressure on German stocks. UK's FTSE added 0.6% so far in the session. Financials and a few miners are still leading the way. RBS, Barclays, Lloyds Banking, and Standard Chartered, as well as Old Mutual, Prudential, and HSBC are all up between 1.3% and 1.9%. We do have BHP and Rio Tinto showing some decent gains right now on the open at 2.1% and 0.8% respectively. Now, EWU is trading at 31.93. Watch that $31.25 level. That's a critical level it needs to hold if the bulls are going to continue to have control in London. France's CAC is trading up about 0.5%. Credit Agricole, BNP Paribas, and Societe Generale. The financials are showing some nice gains, up 1.7% and 4.4%. And that's after Credit Agricole reported better than expected earnings. On the downside, you have Peugeot, which is giving up about 2.7%, and Renault is lower by about 0.5%. Looks like mostly in sympathy. And we're going to watch to see if that deal actually gets done with Ford, or GM, excuse me, as that we mentioned. EWQ is trading at 24.69. Watch that $25 or $24.77 level. A break above there would give the bulls some momentum. Otherwise, that's resistance. Okay, folks, that's it right now for taking a look at all the action that's happening so far in the European markets. We're going to be back at 9:30 Eastern Time to check out all the action here in the United States. See you then.